Which country has the smallest population in the world? A. Vatican City. B. Monaco. C. San Marino. Correct answer is A. Vatican City. What was the name of Mahatma Gandhi's wife? A. Kasturba Gandhi. B. Savitribai. C. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is A. Kasturba Gandhi. In which country was sugar discovered? A. India. B. China. C. Brazil. Correct answer is A. India. Chapeli, folk dance, belongs to which Indian state? A. Rajasthan. B. Uttarakhand. C. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. Which state in India has the largest railway network? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Punjab. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Which vitamin is not present in milk? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin A. Correct answer is A. Vitamin C. When did Delhi become the capital of India? A. 1911. B. 1947. C. 1950. Correct answer is in 1911. Who was the first woman IPS officer of India? A. Kiran Bedi. B. Vasundhara Reddy. C. Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is A. Kiran Bedi. What is the lifespan of a camel? A. 10 to 15 years. B. 30 to 40 years. C. 50 to 60 years. Correct answer is B. 30 to 40 years. When was the car invented? A. 1769 AD. B. 1886 AD. C. 1900 Iswi. Correct answer is B. 1886 AD. Which creature can stay alive even after its head is cut off? A. Ant. B. Cockroach. C. Mosquito. Correct answer is B. Cockroach. Which fruit contains the most water? A. Watermelon. B. Cucumber. C. Orange. Correct answer is A. Watermelon. Which animal has 3 hearts? A. Dolphin. B. Whale. C. Octopus. Correct answer is C. Octopus. What is something that falls but never breaks? A. Sleep. B. Shadow. C. Rain. Correct answer is C. Rain. Which animal has its heart in its head? A. Shrimp. B. Octopus. C. Fish. Correct answer is A. Shrimp. Which country has no army? A. Switzerland. B. Iceland. C. Norway. Correct answer is B. Iceland. Which bird can fly backward? A. Parrot. B. Duck. C. Hummingbird. Correct answer is C. Hummingbird. What is the heaviest thing in the world? A. Sun. B. Black hole. C. Earth. Correct answer is B. Black hole. What is something that we buy but it never belongs to us? A. Mobile. B. House. C. Coffin. Correct answer is C. Coffin. Which animal cannot walk backward? A. Dog. B. Frog. C. Kangaroo. Correct answer is C. Kangaroo.